fields such as firefighting, emergency response, energy inspection, and beyond, DJI has always been committed to meeting complex operational needs, day or night. Now, we're introducing the all-weather, multi-sensor flagship payload, the Zenmuse H30 Series. H30T features a 5-module integrated design with a zoom camera, infrared thermal camera, laser rangefinder, wide-angle camera, and a new NIR auxiliary light, easily handling a variety of complex tasks. For wildlife conservation, H30T offers unprecedented convenience. Infrared thermal camera resolution is 4 times that of the previous generation, delivering enhanced subject recognition. For more covert observation, 34 times max optical zoom and 400 times max digital zoom enable clear long-range animal monitoring. H30T also supports laser range finding up to 3,000 meters for precise long-range positioning. In foggy conditions, electronic dehazing can enhance image clarity and mitigate environmental interference. In firefighting scenarios, when every second counts, H30T is built for the moment. The infrared thermal camera's temperature measurement range features a 3 times increase, reaching up to 1,600 degrees Celsius. Hotspots can be quickly identified for improved firefighting efficiency. In emergency rescue operations, to help ensure that critical information isn't lost, the H30T features up to 30 seconds of pre-recording. H30T's low-light sensing capabilities are equally outstanding. It supports full-color night vision, black and white night vision, and a new NIR auxiliary light. The infrared thermal camera's high-res mode allows for the detection of subjects with more nuanced temperature differences. This enables operators to more quickly locate subjects. Live views can be monitored remotely via DJI Flight Hub 2, and on-site information can be easily shared to improve rescue efficiency. Using the Smart Capture function, even low-light night images and strong light day images can be captured with rich detail. To facilitate precise power line inspections, H30T supports side-by-side zoom and infrared thermal camera monitoring, making it easier to observe details and improving inspection efficiency. H30T also features advanced stabilization algorithms for steady telephoto imagery. The H30T is dust and water resistant, with an IP54 rating and reliable operation in a wide range of temperatures. With comprehensive all-around performance upgrades, the Zenmuse H30 series breaks through visual limitations and expands operational boundaries day or night.